All right, so we're coming back from a break, so we'll do a little bit of refreshing on some things as we, get into it. All right, so let's start with counting by tens. Let's count by tens to 100 on your paper. Let's count by tens all the way to 100. Let me see if we still remember how to do that.
Do we have to write it?
Yes. What?
I don't have pencil.
Okay.
Don't you have this map? Oh, that's it? Yeah, me. You don't do math? What do we? You are right.
All right.
We know for that man. I was saying the wrong thing. I can't even want to figure out who didn't have more stuff. I forgot that I was talking about.
Okay. Okay, we have that. So let me see. Counting by tens to 100. Okay, good. All right, let's do fives all the way to 100. Counting by fives all the way to 100. All right, good. So that's counting by tens, counting by fives, counting by 100. All right, let's count by threes. Let's count by tens with 3. Counting by tens with 3.
Got it. Yeah, but no, I've hit 3.
Okay, so what should that be like? Tell me.
Oh,
3.
3.
Good. Oh,
100.
good. Okay, let's count by tens with 7.
I'm not saying it again. No, but what? I'm not telling you again. Then what I'm gonna write? Nothing. I am listening. Not she though. I will go right. You might know. I don't even know nothing. I don't even know. You might see my paper. You might. I do not give it. But please, God. No.
All right, what should that be like? 7,
17, 27, 47, 57, 67.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, so we'll go ahead and no, one more thing on our paper. All right, so on our paper, can you give me okay, so girls, give me a some more story problem. You can pick whatever fact you want. Some more, and boys, give me a some went away story problem. So girls, create a some more story problem. Boys, a some went away story problem. All right, so let's hear some of those story problems. All right, Ace, so let's hear yours.
Sam had 9 friends, and he met 9 more kids.
Okay, 9 plus 9, 18. Okay, Brayley.
5, 6, 9, 8,
Okay, good. 5 plus 5, 10. Kendall.
9,
Okay, 8 plus 2 is 10. Good. Good job following directions, boys.
5 apples are 8, 1. 5 minus 1 equals 4.
5 minus 1, 4. Michael.
I saw 4 ladybugs, 2 flew away.
4 minus 2 is 2.
Mom had 3 balls, 1 fell. 3 minus 1 equals 2.
3 minus 1 is 2. David.
Have gave me 10 carrots. I ate 1 carrot. 1 minus 10 equals 9.
10 minus 1 equals 9. Okay, and Carol. Okay, 100 minus 100 is 0. Good. Awesome. Good job with that, guys. I just wanted to refresh, make sure we have, Okay. All right. So remember we learned how to make fact families. You can keep your paper. We're not done. We learned how to make fact families. So I have numbers 9, 16, and 7. I need to make 2 addition and 2 subtraction facts. Do that now. Let's see if you remember how to make a fact family. Using just those 3 numbers. Remember that.
Do all of it? Do all of it?
No, just that one. Like do the 2 addition to subtraction.
Do all of that side?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so while we're finishing this one, let's go ahead and do that one. 12, 3, and 9. What would be 2 addition, 2 subtraction facts from that one? 12, 3, and 9. All right, let's go ahead and go over them. So 9, 16, and 7. What's an addition fact I can create?
What?
7 plus 9 is 16. Good. What's another fact I can make from this? 9 plus 7 equals 16. Good. Okay, subtraction.
16 minus 7 equals 9.
16 minus 7 equals 9. What's another subtraction?
16 minus 9 equals
16
7.
minus 9 equals 7. All right, addition. Sorry, this one, 12, 3, and 9. What are two addition facts we can create? Braylee? 3 plus 9 is 12. Okay, another addition fact.
9 plus 3 equals 12.
9 plus 3 equals 12. Okay, subtraction fact. Elijah?
12 plus 3 equals. Wait,
12 minus.
Oh, plus 12 minus 9 is 15. I mean, 30.
12 minus 9 equals 3. What's another subtraction we can make?
12 minus 9 equals 3. 12 minus 3 equals 9.
12 minus 3 equals 9. Okay? All right, let's read the temperature. Remember, temperature tells us how hot, how cold, or cool, or warm it is. So let's look at my first thermometer. How many degrees is it on the thermometer? 30. So what kind of day would that be? Hot or cold?
Cold.
Very cold. Very cold day. Next we have this one here. How many degrees? Asa?
100.
What kind of day would that be? Hot or cold?
Hot.
Okay, Asa.
Hot.
Hot, yeah, very hot day. Very, very hot. Good. All right, let's read some time.
Wait, we could draw time?
What's my time?
9:30.
9:30. Good. All right, go ahead and get out your letters book. I think we're on 99, I think. Let me see. Cursive letters. Yeah, page 99. You can go ahead and get started, page 99. Remember, in writing, we are no longer practicing sentences. We've pretty much learned all what we needed to learn in regards to our sentences. So we will be moving on to story writing. Okay, so we will be starting our story writing. Okay, so there's a couple of things that we'll have to discuss before we get into it. So, story writing is similar to writing sentences. What makes story writing different is that you will combine a bunch of sentences together to create a story. When we write a sentence, we're usually writing one sentence with the different topics. But whenever you're writing a story, you usually will have to have one topic. What I mean by topic is one thing that the story is about. Think about like when we read our stories in our reading, right? All the sentences go together to make the story, correct? We don't have a sentence about this thing and then a sentence about that. If we're reading a story about a dog, all the sentences will be about what? The dog, right? It's not going to be about a cat or, oh, yesterday we went. No. So when you're writing a story, all your sentences will go together to create your story. All your sentences together have to be about your story. You can't put a sentence that has nothing to do with your story. It has to go with the story. So we're going to start pretty easy this week with our first story. Your title will be About Me. So obviously that story is going to be about who? You, about me. So that should make it a lot easier for us to write this week. We're going to do an about me. So what we'll do is we'll start our stories on Monday. We'll work on our stories on Monday and Tuesday. On Wednesday, we will share our stories. And on Thursday, instead of taking a writing test, you have to turn your story in on Thursdays. That's how our schedule will be pretty much up until the end of the year with story writing. Okay. So when we start our story about me, the first thing we have to do, we are talking about ourselves. So that's if someone was to ask us to tell them about us, that's what we're going to do in our story. We're going to break it down into two parts. We'll do part 1 today and part 2 on tomorrow. So I'll help you guys out, with that. So when we start with the about me, what is the first thing you would tell someone if they ask anything about you? What is the first thing you would tell them? First thing, to introduce yourself, you would say what? My name is. So let's go ahead and get started with our first sentence. My name is, and then put your name. Make sure you capitalize that. My name is, and then put your name. Yes. So when you're writing a story, you are saying this in sentence form. You're saying it as a sentence. So if someone says, "What's your name?" instead of just saying Miss Flugence, no, I have to answer it in a sentence and I have to say, "My name is." You need to write bigger than that. Okay. All right, good. Okay, we got that. One second. All right, so after we give our name, what would be the next important thing to tell someone? So we introduced ourselves and we said, my name is, what would be the next important thing to tell them about ourselves? Our age, but how would I say that in a sentence? Do I say 6? No. How would I tell someone my age in a sentence? What you got, Asa?
I'm 6 years old.
I am 6, or for those that are 7, I am 7 years old. So let's keep going. Now, this is what's important, guys. Pause. Okay? So whenever you're writing a story, as you can see, we started on the first sentence. Do you see how there's a lot of space left? Guess what you do? Keep writing on that same line. We just finished one sentence, we put a period, and we start our next sentence right behind that. We do not go to a new line unless we ran out of space on one line. If you still have space on a line, keep on writing. That's the difference between a story and sentences. Sentences, we start on new lines, but with the story, you keep on going. Do you see what I'm saying? Yeah? Y'all understand that? Okay, so let's do our next sentence. So we tell our age. So I am, and everybody's a different age. So I am blank years old. If you're 6 foot 6, if you're 7 foot 7. Keep on writing. Don't go to a new line unless you ran out of space. Now, in the midst of writing that sentence, if you need extra space, then you can go to another line. Also, when writing your story, you skip lines. Skip lines. Oh, I need to charge the computer. Hold on, I muted first.
Yeah. Yeah. That's hard to cook. So it's just 20 that's the you want to do.
All right, I had to check. Pause. All right, do we have that sentence? Okay, so we introduced ourselves, our name, we gave our age, What would be another thing we would tell someone in this time? What would be another thing we could say?
My favorite.
Not yet. We're giving the basics about ourselves. So we gave our age, we gave our name. What else would we say? Age, name. What about our birthday? Yeah. So how would we say that in a sentence? Our birthday.
My
Yes. So we would say my birthday. My birthday is on, and then you write your birthday. Okay? So we have our first three sentences. My name is blank. I am blank years old. My birthday is on. That's your third sentence. Remember, guys, if you have space, keep on writing and make sure you skip lines. All right, so we have my name is, I am blank years old, my birthday is on. Okay, what else can we tell them next about ourselves? We told them our name, our age, our birthday. We're not getting favorites today. Tell us about schooling. What grade you're in?
What?
Okay, so how would I say that in a sentence? The grade I am in. How would I say that in a sentence? So we would say I am in first grade. I am in first grade. Let me see. You got reading that?
I read it already.
Good. Okay, good. Thank you. You were done, huh? Yeah. Okay, so we have our name, age, birthday, what grade we're in. Let's talk about our family. How would we tell them our parents, who they are? What will we say? What will we say?
Their name.
Their names. So you would say my dad's name is, you put that. My dad's name is blank, and my mom's name is.
Where he was to sit at college in Copperpot after his.
And you put your parents' name. You should know their name. It's okay if you don't spell it right. We'll fix that on tomorrow. Okay, so that's our next sentence. We're telling about our parents. My dad's name is blank, and my mom's name is blank.
Hi, a bit. I can't see the boy was not used to cry. Oh, they were right. And first and it was not bad. Kitchen was always warm and cheerful. It had delicious smell from roasting meals, tasty sauces, and a wonderful pudding. This was he finished.
She, that's a guy.
Okay.
Okay, we have that. All right, let's do one more. Let's tell more about our family. So not only do we say our parents, but then what about who else do you say? Your siblings, right? Right. So how would I tell someone about my siblings? I would say I what? I have, yes, you would say I have, and then you give the number blank sisters and blank brothers, because everyone has a different number. Like I have 4 sisters and 1 brother. Everybody's different. So if you don't have a brother, then you don't have to put that part. If you don't have a sister, then you don't have to put that part. What were you gonna say, Asa?
I didn't have a brother.
Oh, okay. So yeah, you don't have to write that. But if you have a sister or a brother, you'll put the number. If you don't have neither, then you don't have to put it. You'll just say, I have 1 brother or I have 1 sister. But if you do have both, then put the number. All right, so do we have that written down? All right, so this is our first part. So we gave all the introduction about ourselves. We gave our name, our age, our grade. We gave our birthday, who our family is. Tomorrow we'll begin to discuss things about ourselves, like the things that we like, okay? All right, so that is it for our morning Zoom. I will see you this afternoon, okay? So don't lose your story. Keep it safe because we'll add to the story tomorrow, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.